Are you feeling lost in day trading? You don't know what to do and you are keep on searching for something to improve in your day trading. If it is so, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to give you 5 different things to overcome the feeling of lost so that you can use any one of these small things in your trading so that you can make better trading decisions, better profits. Anything can happen. Be with the open mind so that you can take some of the important points and you can apply them in your trading. Who knows, in this video maybe you will get a strike in your mind that if you use this thing your trading will improve. Psychology, this is the best part to take care in day trading. Now let's get into the video. Day trading is as much a psychological challenge as it is a technical one. Feeling lost is common among traders, especially when profits seem very difficult or market's unpredictability shakes us our confidence. To regain control and thrive, it's essential to shift your mindset and adopt structured, result oriented strategies. Now, let's get into 5 different steps to overcome this. Number 1, understand that losses are lessons. Every trader faces losses. Instead of seeing them as failures, treat them as opportunities to learn. Analyze your trades to identify patterns, mistakes, and market conditions that led to undesired outcomes. All this comes with journaling. When you journal your trades, when you encounter a new thing in your trading, a sudden change, some sudden fall, some sudden hike, you have to write down that in your trading journal, which helps uncover valuable insights. So day by day you keep on eliminating all these things one by one. At certain point you understood that this is a game of probability and you have to play with the mindset of probability. Number 2, focus on process, not the outcome. Feeling lost often stems from focusing completely on profits. Instead, building a robust system that aligns with your risk tolerance, time, and financial goals. Stick to it, trusting that consistency in applying sound strategies will eventually yield results. Number 3, set realistic expectations. Day trading isn't a get rich quick scheme. Unrealistic expectations often lead to emotional decisions. Define achievable goals. For in my case, whether it's a 2% return per week or mastering a specific strategy, this should be my aim to implement, not the profits. And you have to celebrate each incremental progress. When you understood that you have step one step ahead from previous day, you have to celebrate that. Number 4, develop a winning routine structure. This structure reduces chaos, which is confusion. Start your trading day with a clear routine. Analyze pre-market trends. Plan your trades with defined entry, exit, and stop loss levels. Limit screen time to avoid overtrading. A disciplined routine creates clarity and boosts confidence. Number 5, prioritize emotional mastery. Because markets are unpredictable, but your reactions don't have to be. Use mindful techniques like deep breathing or meditation to stay composed. Remember, detachment from emotions enhances decision making. Why? Because when you are mindful about your emotions, you don't beat yourself up when you face a loss. You understood that that is not a loss, that's the data. You have to carefully analyze the data to take some important insights from them and try to eliminate or add whatever it needs to make yourself profitable. Number 6, seek community and membership. Being part of a trading community can be transformative. Why? Because when you are with like minded people, you will share some important insights about you. There is there is some knowledge about that. When you surround yourself with 5 millionaires, you are going to be 6th millionaire. It is something like that. When you are in a community or under someone's mentorship, you are going to achieve some more heights in your trading career very fastly. And seek guidance from mentors who have navigated similar challenges. And finally, if you are struggling to find direction in day trading, take back control with these proven strategies like the 6 steps, and learn, implement, and do simultaneously so that you will get better benefits. Do not trade alone. Join the community of ongoing support and expert insights. Like this, and you can achieve anything in your trading career. If you like this content, share it with fellow traders and subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips. Hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Thank you.